everybody, how's it going today? Today I am going to be going through a whole bin here, if I can get it, right here, of empties that I have, of products that I've used up from skincare and from makeup. So if that interests you, please keep on watching. The first item that I took out of the basket is from the Body Shop, and it looks like this. It's the Body Shop Chamomile, and it's the Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. This is the second one of these, same size, that I have used up, and I will say it works. I like it. It works really well. It takes a few different cotton balls, you need maybe 4. That's what I do. So, I mean, it's you still need just as many as if you were to get one of the cheaper ones, I guess is what I'm saying. But it is a good product to use, and I would definitely buy this again. Okay, guys, so the second item in my basket is from Ulta Beauty. It's their Broad Spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen. It's their Rose Water Setting Spray. And it says it's water resistant for 80 minutes, UVA, UVB protection. And, well, you spray this. I spray this after I put on, like, my lotions and right before my primer. I don't know if it's right, but that's the way I do it. And this one definitely has a smell to it. And, I don't think it smells like roses. I'm going to be completely honest with you. And it smells a lot like nail polish or nail polish remover. Maybe at first spray, when it starts setting or drying, I should say, it's, I don't know, guys. It has a strong smell. So if you don't like things that are scented, then this might not be for you, but the scent does go down once it's dry, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So, but it is a good SPF, and I did, use it up. I enjoyed using it, so yeah. Okay, and I will say one thing. I have one more of these that I'm actually working on using up, and the sprayer here on the new one that I'm using, I haven't been using it that well or that long. And it's already clogging, like it doesn't spray right. So I don't know if that's just a fluke thing. It very well could be. But I would just say if you buy these in the store, just, try to make sure you test out the sprayer. I'm going to take this one off of this since this is used up and, put it back on my new bottle that I'm using right now. So just be forewarned that maybe the sprayers are not all equal. But I'm glad I have this one so I can replace it and still get use out of my other one. Items I actually have duplicates, and I got these in, I want to say, the Neautyfix by Dermstore. Yes, I did. The Neautyfix by Dermstore subscription box that comes in the mail. And it's the Super Smile Professional Whitening System, and it looks like this. This is what the box looks like. And then it comes with 2 parts to it. It has this whitening accelerator, and then it has this whitening toothpaste. And you're supposed to use a dry toothbrush and then put, like a pea-size amount of this and a pea-size amount of that on there. And, just brush your teeth like normal. And it says to use this twice a day. I didn't. But I did notice I would use it at night before I go to bed. And just from using it at night, I really, really think these work good. I would definitely repurchase. So yeah, I have another one here. And I really believe that, because I had pretty, not yellow teeth, but I want to say they were darker than they were. I like tea. I like coffee. So sometimes I need whitening toothpaste. I think everyone does it at some point. So these worked really well, and I'll have to check and see how much these retail for, and I'll put it down on the screen for you guys, because I'm kind of interested at maybe I would order it from Dermstore when I need to whiten my teeth again. I did like this product. Next item in here, I'm sure all of you have heard of, or most of you would think, is the Urban Decay All Nighter. And I don't know what happened to my nozzle, this sprayer. It worked fine for a long time, and then it was almost towards the end. And you can hear a little bit in here, but I'm just going to say it's done because I've been lately taking my finger and, opening it up and putting it on my finger and dabbing it on my face. But I would not recommend doing that. because even if you're careful, maybe it's with every setting spray, but it seems like it leaves patches on your face. So yeah, I wouldn't do that. And that's why I just said that I'm going to be done with this. I did like this, and I would definitely buy another bottle of it. So yeah, I do like this. Wish I could have gotten all of it used up without the sprayer nozzle not working, but it is what it is. I would definitely repurchase this. I got this guy in a, I want to say, Neautyfix. I'm not sure. It was one of my subscription boxes. I'm not quite sure which one it came from. But it's the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. And I'll open this up for you. It's basically gone. There's just a tinge in there. It's green. But this worked really, really well. And my face was super smooth in the morning. So I really like this product. And I'll have to let you guys know how much it is. I'll look up everything and write it down on the screen how much everything is retail for you. So yeah, this is a good product. Okay, so another item that I have out of the basket is this. It's a Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist. And once again, I got this in a subscription box. So this is, I'm sure, just a small sample. But I did like it. It worked well for volumizing your hair. I have very, very fine hair. So for things to help me, it says a lot, because my hair is that kind of hair that I can curl it, put a ton of gel in it, and an hour later, it's going to be flat. It's just not going to stay. So I did like this, but I'm going to be honest, I don't know how it helped with the anti-aging. Maybe there's something in it, but I don't know. It was nice though. Okay, so the next item that I took out of the basket is from Saturday Skin, and it is their Featherweight Daily Moisturizing Cream. This stuff was really nice. It smelled really nice too. It's completely gone. I mean, there's nothing left. It was super, super soft and creamy when you put it on your face, and I would use this every night, and I loved it. So this is the Saturday Skin. This is their exfoliating face soap exfoliator. It's a very soft exfoliator. It's not one of those gritty exfoliators, so if that's what you're looking for, this is not what this is. But it did work. It was okay. And then I have from, this is Ultra Repair from First Aid Beauty, and it repairs dry lips. And yeah, it does what it claims. It's nice. I used it when we had a really dry winter and it was dry in the house. So yeah, it did work really well. And from Saturday Skin, I also have this. It is their, what do they call this? The Daily Dew. It's a hydrating essence mist. And you guys, I really like this. It smelled really, really good. And when you spray it on your face, it felt baby soft. I really, really enjoyed this spray. And I have this from Redken. It is their Frizz Dismiss Smooth Force. And it does what it claims. It works really well for smoothing out your very rough hair. And I actually use this on my daughter's hair sometimes. She's 5 and she doesn't always like me brushing her hair, even when I'm gentle. So a lot of times I'll put like a smoothing oil or a smoothing spray in her hair, and this worked out really well. And I have the It Confidence in a Cream, the Anti-Aging Armoire Regenerative Concentrate. It's a transforming moisturizing super cream, and this is really nice. I did like this. Yeah, it had a smell to it. It's completely gone, as you can see. It's a really faint smell, but it's nothing overpowering, and it works really well. So I would definitely consider buying this one again. From Caudalie, I have it's Moisturizing Sorbet. So, yep, it's just another moisturizer for your face, and it was really nice. Nothing special to say about it, but it was nice. Guys, another one from Caudalie. This is their Energizing and Smoothing Eye Cream, and it worked well. I mean, it smoothed your eyes. I guess it did what it's supposed to. It didn't have a smell that I remember anyway. Let me see. Yep, no smell. So it worked really good, and it did smooth the under eyes, especially, I guess, in the winters when I really needed it, when it's so dry, and it did work for that. So it's a good product. And then I have this from Ren Skincare. It's their Radiant Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream, and this was really nice. It had like a cooling kind of texture when you put it on your skin, and I would put this on, and then I put moisturizer on, and as far as I can't really tell I couldn't tell if it did really anything to my skin, but if it protected it, that's great, I guess. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell sometimes. It's just a really small bottle, but it didn't wreck my skin in any way, so that's good. Guys, here's one that I absolutely loved, and I wish I had a bigger bottle of it, or another bottle. It is the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt. And it looks like this, and this is their triple peptide eye cream. You guys, this is amazing. I put it on my skin and it felt just so soft under my eyes. I would definitely repurchase this one. I have another moisturizer here from Skin Medica. It is their Dermal Repair Cream, and nothing special to say about this. I only used it twice and I think it was pretty much gone, so yeah, maybe if I had more, I could have seen how it worked better, but it was nice. So I have one here from Clinique. It is their Pep Start Hydro Blur Moisturizer, and I did like this. I've always liked Clinique products, so growing up, I used to use it too, since my mom used it. So yeah, I really did like this. It worked really well. This one, I'm not sure that I liked. It is an Organic Flowers Sebum Treatment. I got it in one of my Korean skincare boxes that I no longer get, but I'm not sure if it was this or if it was just really dry weather outside, but my skin, I mean, it was so dry after I used this, and I don't know. I ended up using it up, but I would not repurchase this, and like I said, I wasn't sure if it was this that dried out my skin, but usually my skin doesn't get that dry, so I just didn't like this at all. I have this little guy from Neostrata Skin Active. It's a cellular restoration. It says it helps restore essential cells, lifts and firms, and it reduces oxidative damage. I don't know if I can say all that with this little tube that I can say that it would do all that, but it's smooth. It felt good on the skin. It smoothed the skin. I will say that. So I don't know if I would buy it again, but it was nice to try. It's another really good one that I liked. It is from Dr. Brandt. It's their Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. This, guys, was amazing. I do like this. It was super smooth when you went on your face. You touch your face and it feels just super soft. I mean, like a baby's bottom. I don't know how else to say it. Super soft. So I definitely like this, and I would definitely think of repurchasing this again. This is my last skincare item in this box, and it is from Philosophy, and it is their Pure Grace. This was their lotion, and it was nice, and I don't know, it was like silky smooth. I did have one dry patch on my leg, and I don't know if it was, I don't know for sure if I can blame this, but I did really like this. It seemed to smooth my skin really well. So, and in fact, I have a couple more bottles of this, so you'll be seeing this in another video. Now we're going to get into the makeup items. So the first one I have here isn't makeup, but it is from Ulta Beauty. It's the glitter primer that you use before you put your eyeshadow on, obviously. I like this. I can't say if it works for glitter because I didn't use it for glitter eyeshadow. So I just use it for my regular eyeshadow, and it works. So I'm working on another tube right now. I have this primer from Laura Mercier. It's their Foundation Primer Radiance. I did like this. It really was smoothing when it goes on your face, and your makeup lasts all day. I did like this. I have an eyeliner here from Smashbox, and it looks like this. You can see that. There we go. It was nice. It just, after like 3.5 months, it was starting to dry out, so I just thought it was time to let it go. I have one more eyeliner here, and it was a sample from Tarte. It was their Sex Kitten, and I can't really show you anything. It was, you know, just your regular wax pencil. It was nice. It only lasted like a week, so it was nice though. Wish it lasted a little longer. The items are mascaras, and they're both samples. I have one from Too Faced. It's their Better Than Sex mascara. Looks like this. And I open it up for you guys. So it looks like that. This was nice. I think after the first few days it worked better than right away. And I want to say this lasted about 2.5 weeks. So I do go through a lot of mascara, so for it to last that long, I think that was nice. One more here, and it's from Urban Decay's their Perversion Bigger, Blacker, Better. And I'll open it up for you. And I want to say I really love this. It just seemed to dry out really fast. I think it was only like a week and a half. But then again, this is a really small tube, so it was nice while it lasted. Thanks for watching, everybody, and if you enjoy this kind of video or this kind of content, I hope you'll consider liking, subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great weekend, everyone.